Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. Today is Saturday and we got home from church. It's around 2 or 3 o'clock and we are grilling. So let me turn you around and show you what we're making. So first thing is these burgers that if you saw my Costco haul, I had them in my Costco haul and we have 6 left. So there's I think 2 burgers for each person. We have chicken wings that I took out of the freezer and seasoned, and then I did stop at Fred Meyer at Kroger's on the way home from church, and Noah wanted this bacon, so we are grilling up some of the bacon he can put on his burgers. And then over here we have steak, and then inside we have 2 bagged salads that I got on clearance at Kroger with just some Parmesan cheese and croutons and ranch. So let's get this all cooked up. Look at this beautiful day, you guys. It's so nice and sunny. It's not too hot. There's a little breeze, but not too bad. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we are gonna enjoy this food. And we have watermelon and grapes and nectarines and kiwis and all kinds of fruit for dessert. And we even have ice cream too. So whatever everybody wants, they can grab. And it's a burger and salad, and the other stuff is still cooking. Hi everyone, it is Monday and we have a lot of leftover chicken wings and steak. We don't have any more burgers because the kids ate them all yesterday, because we kind of ate around lunchtime, and then at dinner time they had burgers again. So I'm making some macaroni and cheese. I'm using these 2 boxes to kind of go with the chicken wings for dinner. And then I have this bread that I got at Costco. This milk needs to be used up. I got this for free on promotion at Safeway a while back, so I want to use that up. So I'm going to make some French toast because that sounds really good. I just have some of this milk, eggs, pumpkin spice blend I had in my cupboard, so I put that in instead of just cinnamon, and a little pinch of salt and sugar. So that is what I'm doing. It's around 2:13, and we'll see how much we get, how much French toast, and then if we have any left over, we'll just put it in the fridge and have the kids eat it for breakfast. All right, here's the French toast. The kids have already gotten into it, and we are just using up this Hungry Jack syrup. They're delicious. And then I'll show you guys my dinner. Here is my dinner, and the kids are having macaroni and cheese with leftover wings. We will see you guys tomorrow. So it is still Monday, and I want to show you guys I have a lot of grapes, strawberry, and watermelon, and this is the second bowl of fruit salad. I just kind of cut everything up and put it in here. The kids already ate this whole thing, and this is going to be for Noah. I put him another cup because he requested it, and I made another one, and we still have lots more fruits, and it's about 70 degrees, 71 degrees with sunshine and a little bit of wind, so it's really nice. So this is really refreshing. We still have a lot of French toast left over. Everyone's fed, everyone's happy, and we still have some steak left over. The wings are all gone, but look at this beautiful salad, you guys. So easy. I figure if I throw it all together in a bowl, the kids will be more likely to eat it, and that's exactly what happened. It is Tuesday, and I'm going to make taco soup. So I bought 3 rotisserie chickens on Saturday. 1 is gone. We just ate on it and it's absolutely gone. And then I am going to cut these 2 up, and I'm going to make taco soup from part of it, of the breast. And then I'm also going to make my potato salad, like my chicken potato salad that uses some of it. And then everything else I'm just going to portion out, like legs with legs and wings and breast separate, and I'm going to freeze it to have for whenever we need some. And I'm going to use 1 can of corn, 1 can of navy beans, and then I have 2 frozen bags of black beans that I cooked a while back and put in the freezer, so we'll use those. A little bit of hot salsa, very little bit. I want to get this out of the fridge. And then I have enchilada sauce that was in the freezer. I opened up a big can last time I made taco soup. So I'm only going to use part of this. Cilantro, garlic, and then I have an onion that we cut up on Sunday to use for our burgers. It was a huge onion, so we have that. So I'll use some of that as well. And then I'll probably put some seasonings like cumin and chili and salt and pepper and stuff like that. So let me get this soup together. It's super easy to put together, and it's super delicious. For my seasoning, I have salt, pepper, and then I'm going to use some of this chili powder, some of this cumin powder, a little bit of paprika just to give it a nice color. And then instead of chicken broth, I'm going to use some of this roasted beef based bouillon broth. And then salt and pepper. And then I also have this. I don't know. I'll give it a taste. I haven't used it. It's been in my seasoning cupboard forever. Maybe I'll put a little bit of that as well. My mouth is watering. These are all delicious flavors. So I just pulled the chicken out of its box, and you can see all this gelatin. This is delicious flavor. I'm going to put hot water, and all of this is going in my soup. None of it is getting wasted. It is absolutely delicious. Here's the chickens. My husband separated them. We have thighs, legs, wings, chicken breast, and a lot more chicken that we're going to take off of this. And then out of the bones, tomorrow I'm going to make a chicken stock. So that's going to be delicious. Here is my chicken potato salad. I have some of that chicken breast, 4 boiled eggs with yolk and all, sweet relish, mustard, fresh parsley, peas, boiled carrots, and I have some potatoes that are boiling up, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Once the potatoes have cooled down, I'm going to chop them up, add them in here. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, those, and then mayo, and then you keep it in the fridge, and it makes the best salad. You can just eat it like that, or you can eat it with bread, crackers. It's very good. Over here, I have the carcasses of the chicken. I'm going to pop those in the fridge, and tomorrow I'm making stock with those. So this is going to be so delicious. You can really just clean out your fridge and add whatever you want to it. You can add peppers. You can add whatever you'd like. I kind of went shy on the carrots because I don't have any more. I only had 3 little carrots, but I usually like a lot more carrots in it, but it's still going to be really good. Here's the taco soup. I have some cilantro, sour cream, Mexican style cheese, and an avocado. So this is what we are having for dinner. See you guys tomorrow. It is Wednesday and I made potato soup. Look at this, you guys. I actually poached some eggs. These eggs are from my mom's chickens. I'm the only one that kind of likes the eggs in my soup, so I poached 3 eggs and I will be eating that in my soup. It is 10:26 and this is done. I started making the soup at 8 because these pork shanks have to boil for about an hour to 2 hours, depending on how thick they are, by themselves. And then I never made the chicken stock from the chicken carcasses and the skin and everything. So I have this huge pot that's gonna be going right now, making the stock, and I am going to cool it, strain it, cool it, and then I'm gonna put it in mason jars in my freezer, in my freezer door. Everything that's in here will get discarded. The only thing that I'm keeping is the 2 carrots because my kids like, they call them hot carrots, so they'll just eat them up. And yeah, that's what's going on so far. It's not raining. It rained last night. It's not raining, but it's very like overcast and like just dark outside, but it's still warm. It's really nice, but it's perfect time for soup. And then I will see. I have a pork tenderloin out, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook that today or tomorrow, but if I cook it today, I'll let you guys know. And if I cook it tomorrow, I'll let you guys know. So it is still Wednesday night, and I want to show you guys the chicken broth. This is not bone broth, it's just chicken stock that I had going. Let me move my diffuser so it doesn't reflect too bad. So I got 5 jars, just different sizes here, of homemade chicken broth that is going in the freezer. And as you can tell, I did leave a little bit of room on each jar because it will expand when you freeze it. And these are just upcycled jars from pasta sauces and whatnot. And it's almost 9 o'clock, but I have a lot of energy, so I figure I'm going to get my potatoes prepped. Tomorrow I'm making pork schnitzel. I had a pork tenderloin I thawed out. My husband sliced it out into pieces, and then I'm gonna make mashed potatoes, homemade mashed potatoes. So I'm going to peel these tonight, dice them, rinse them, and then put them in cold water. And then tomorrow I can just make my mashed potatoes. And I think I'm going to beat and season my meat tonight. So tomorrow I just have to fry it. When I do mashed potatoes with schnitzel, it's a process. It's a long process. I always like hate it because it takes forever, but the kids really love it. It's a really good meal. So I'm just gonna do most of the prep today, and then tomorrow it should be smooth sailing. Okay, so here's my potatoes, peeled, diced, and rinsed, and then I put them in cold water. So I'm just gonna cover them, and those are gonna be ready for mashed potatoes tomorrow. Here is my pork schnitzel, and these are nice thin slices. I pounded them out, and I put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then I use this roasted garlic and herb seasoning that I got on Amazon, and I am loving it. Look how pretty it is, and it smells absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna put these in a Tupperware, put them in the fridge, and tomorrow should be easy dinner. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday morning. It is 9:44 in the morning. This is my setup. Here is my pork schnitzel, my egg wash, breadcrumbs, and I'm just using these Italian style breadcrumbs. I believe I got at Dollar Tree. I already have a couple batches done. So I'm just putting it in the egg wash and the breadcrumbs and then frying it up. And again, I do change the oil quite often. And then I have the mashed potatoes boiling. It is really early in the morning, but it's gonna be hot today. And I don't wanna deal with frying things up and heating up the house more than it has to be later on. So I'm getting all my food done now. I have all the windows and doors open so all the smell can get out and fresh air. And I did put a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder on my breadcrumbs and a little paprika just for color. And then I have, yesterday I had to return at Walmart a multi-cooker. That didn't work. And I got 3 huge Supreme Caesar salad bags, so we'll do a bag of salad with everything. So I want to show you guys when the oil starts getting brown like that. This is the last batch I'm going to use for this oil. And then I'm going to rinse out my pan and put fresh oil. And I still have quite a few more pieces to make, so I'll be doing that at least another 2 or 3 times. So this is this deep. There's lots of pieces. I want to say about 19 or 20 pieces of meat. They're all different sizes and shapes, but that's okay. So I wanted to show you guys before my kids gobble them up. Only David's home right now, but the other ones will be home. And if I forget to show you, I just figured let me pull out my camera and show you guys. So that's what that looks like. And then over here is the mashed potatoes. This I'm gonna rinse off. It's really nice if you rinse it off when it's hot, then you just wipe it out and boom, cleanup is done. So my dishwasher is going right now, and then I have another sink full of dishes just from making all this, and I'll get that going. And yeah, it's 10:12 and I'm done with dinner. All right, guys, so here is dinner. This is my husband's plate. This is the Caesar salad. This is what it looks like. I get it from Walmart, the family size Caesar salad, and it's like a Supreme. It comes with seasoning, croutons, cheese, and the dressing. Obviously the romaine. It's so delicious. It's a huge bag. It's 1 pound of salad for $4.99, which is not bad for like the pre-made salad kits. So this is what we're having for dinner, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone, it is Friday, Memorial Day weekend, and my kids do not have school. So it is 12:05 and they've been eating literally all morning. So I made a big pot of meatball soup. It'll probably be gone. And then I made a huge pot of spaghetti. I actually used, what is this, fettuccine noodles, ground turkey, beef, onion, garlic powder, parsley, Italian seasoning, all that good stuff. So we have 2 big pots of meals. Let's see how much will be left, if any, by the end of the day. Hi everyone, it is Saturday morning, and I want to show you guys I ordered this Pioneer Women's crock pot because my other one had a little crack in the bottom of it, and so I didn't want to risk it and you know, have it like totally explode or something. I don't know. So this is the kind of crock pot I had. I actually ordered a multi cooker and it was super expensive, and I had to return it because the time button didn't work. And then I was like, you know what, I know this cooks really well. I know how it like it cooks higher than other crock pots, and I really like it. The only thing that's different from my other crock pot is the design, but I got this on Walmart.com, around $45. It was shipped to my home, and I really like this, these red handles and stuff, so I think it's very pretty. And like I said, I already know how it cooks because I've had the other ones for years. The other one was, I don't know how many years, but it was old. So yeah, I'm really excited. You guys are going to see my new crock pot in my upcoming Emma made breakfast for everyone. She made a salad, eggs, and bacon in the air fryer. Is it yummy, Noah? Lucas, you like it?
Yeah.
It's so good. So that's what we're having. It's kind of like brunch, and it's delicious. It is Saturday, last day of the week of what we're eating. I have over here tilapia, and I made a little seasoning with salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, and chili powder. And I put that over the fish, and it's just been marinating. We're gonna make fish tacos tonight. Never made them, but sounds delicious. I have some garlic I'm gonna mince up. I have cilantro over here. And then just over here, I have rice with salt and cilantro. So we're making cilantro rice. I'm gonna do some corn on the stove, and I'm also going to get the tortillas cooked up. I have 2 cans of corn. I'm going to saute those, well, not saute them, I'm gonna warm them up in my cast iron skillet and kind of just char them a little. And then I have these ranch style beans that I got at Walmart. I've never tried them, but they sound really good. So I'm excited to heat those up and see how those. Okay, so first of all, Lucas wanted to show you guys his toy. There you go. It's a jiggly dinosaur. Here you go. And before I do the corn in this cast iron, I am going to heat up these tortillas, and then I'm going to put them in these tortilla holder, I guess, and then I'll do the corn in here, take it out, and then I'm going to do the fish in here as well. I'm just going to pan fry it. This is a very good skillet, and that's what's going on. So there are my tortillas, and then the corn, I just drained it and rinsed it, and I just put salt and pepper. I didn't even put any butter or anything. I just want to get some color on it. It smells so good. If you've ever wondered if these ranch style beans are good and what they look like, that's what they look like. They're delicious. I'm gonna go open up another can and I'm gonna heat those up. And there's our corn. I understand that limes would probably be delicious with fish tacos, but all I have is lemon. So that's gonna do just fine. And then there is our cilantro rice, absolutely smelling delicious, looking good. So I'm not gonna get the fish going just yet because we're not ready to eat yet. I'm just kind of prepping and it's taking forever, but I'm gonna go get another can of these. Okay, so here we have the beans, all the toppings, the rice, our tortillas, and I'm still frying up fish, and I hit it with a little garlic, and let's do a little cilantro. Absolutely delicious. David's getting a few ready. We're gonna dig in.